Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bearish movement. Market has respected the previous support like the previous week. The support level is not violated because there isn't a break and close below the low. So if you're not certain of this kind of analysis and stuff like that, scan this QR code and it will bring you to our Telegram group where you can start to interact with us. And of course, at the top of the post or rather the channel, there is a pin that will bring you to our students group and you can start to learn for free. All right, so let's head down to the 4-hour chart. What we see over here, a break and close above that has happened. That doesn't change the trend to become a bullish trend. It is just a weaker bearish movement. All right, so remember that I'll need 2 breaks of the high for it to become a bullish trend. So how about this? So it's really important to really trace through the market to see if the market is bullish or bearish. In this case, on the 1-hour chart, bullish. 4-hour and daily are all bearish. So you can scan this QR code. It will bring you to our Telegram group. We figure that's the best option. And of course, at the top of the channel, as I mentioned, when you click on the link, it will bring you to these groups itself, and you can start chatting with us and stuff like that. Okay, so of course, this is we do a renaming of our course content, so it's easier to guide you through. First up, if you're new to this, you're not very certain on reading the market trends, well, you can click this and start learning trading for free without any obligation. All right, and of course, if you're interested, drop me a note and we'll arrange a call with you to see if you are a good fit. And if you do, then that's where we will have a talk with you and to make sure that you're a good fit to our group. And the first training you go through is the 1-day trading crash course where you're able to learn how to trade in even a more in-depth settings and for you to understand trading better. Scroll down further, you can even see some of our trading ideas, how we plan our trades, and you can see that on our second targets, we always get a 2:1 in terms of trading. That will put you in an advantage when you are doing this in a long term. That means a side hustle or a full-time in the years to come. All right, so let's head back to our daily chart where I will share with you my analysis of euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a potential bearish shark pattern. It has not changed. Of course, 1.0318 will be the level I'm looking to short. And the first level you should be looking for a shorting opportunity will be this channel. Once it touches this channel, I'll receive an alert on my smartwatch, and that's when I will check out the analysis. Because I'll receive the alert only once per bar close. Let me just show you. All right, once per bar close setting, and over here I write bear channel, looking to short. Okay, and to the 4-hour chart, well, we have another shark pattern at 1.0247. You can see that it is a different level. So if you're confused, just trade based on the time frame setting. And what's really important is for me to see if the market respect this PRZ zone, meaning say that it touched the furthest end and touched the lowest end and not closing beyond this level. All right, this level will be very, very important, and that's when analysis become important when you plan your trade. Correct? Because every time you hear me saying plan your trade and trade your plan, that's when we plan our trade and wait for the confirmation before we engage the trade. All right, 1-hour chart, well, nothing much at this moment. We have this consolidation zone that will be of my interest to look out. I'm pretty surprised that the market still touches the trend line, respected it and reversed, because typically when it happens once, although it never touched, but it's very, very close enough, it shouldn't happen again. And of those who have, like my students, have used this technique and engaged the trade, congratulations, you have 70 over pips in the making. And of course, if you're waiting for candlesticks confirmation, then at this moment 43 pips, still not so bad. All right, and if you are already in the trade, shift stops entry, that's one way. If you choose not to exit the trade, this could give me a potential bullish harmonic pattern setup. It could be a bullish bear pattern. I'll have to wait for further development. It's still too early to say. If the market just slide from here, then probably I won't have a bad pattern. I'll have to wait for retracement, and depends where it reverses. All right, so trading is really both art and science in terms of the trading mechanism. The trend line is actually the art side, how you draw it, correct? As far as I can do, I can trade and describe the best, because still you might still have a different outcome. However, when we talk about the harmonic pattern, based on the way we teach you, is definitely the science of it, meaning to say that if you follow step by step, you will have the same results. That's pretty much I have for you today. If you're looking to be serious about trading and stuff like that, drop me a note. We have really exciting stuff going on right now, and I can fill you up with more details, and we can have a chat. That's pretty much I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon. Till then, remember always, play your trade and trade your plan. Take care.